Because you're looking for ways to improve your productivity and product quality while reducing your chilling costs, we created the Cryo Injector CB3, an innovation in temperature control technology that is easy to install on many types of food processing equipment. It has the versatility to chill any kind of food product during the mixing process, such as minced meat, dough and vegetables, and has been designed using the latest hygiene guidelines. Let's take a closer look. An injection nozzle inserted into a stainless steel housing that is welded onto the bottom of the mixer. Liquid nitrogen or carbon dioxide is injected through the bottom of your mixer, minimizing injection and mixing times, and reducing the gas consumption by up to 50%. A simple and highly effective design, allowing for a faster, more homogeneous and precise chilling profile. Easy to dismantle and reassemble for the cleaning operations in less than 1 minute. The control of the injectors can be easily integrated into your equipment's PLC panel or operated from a separate electrical control box. With enhanced efficiency, simplicity and hygiene features, it will improve your performance, process flexibility and food safety, while providing the food industry with the most advanced cryogenic chilling solutions.